Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is TCL 40R 5G, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable quick launch on this device. Alright, so to do this first we have to open our settings, where we have to scroll down and find button and gestures option. Here we have to click on the power key. And as you can see, there is this option quick launch camera. And now all we have to do is just press our power key twice to quick launch camera. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.